Everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to set a home page in Google Chrome on your iPhone. Let's get started. A home page is the website that opens first when you tap the home icon. Chrome. Setting a home page can save time and help you quickly access your favorite website. First, open the Google Chrome on phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are on your home page, tap on the three dots at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then tap on Settings. In Settings menu, tap Home Page. Turn the home page switch on. If it's off, you will now see two options. Choose Open this page. Tap on the Enter URL field and type the website you want as your home page. After entering the website address, tap Done. Now your home page is set. Whenever you open a new tab or the home icon in Chrome, you choose website will be open automatically. If you ever want to change your home page, just come back to the settings and enter a new website. And that's it. You have successfully set a home page in Google Chrome on your iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.